Hi, this is Hope and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this super cute and easy little exfoliating pouch mitten type thing for your face. So this size right here would be for your face, but you can also make a larger size for your body so your whole hand can fit in there. Alright, so for this exfoliating scrubby, you will need this specific scrubby yarn. It's kind of rough and it's made by Red Heart, and you can get it in Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or even Walmart, and I got this cherry color from Walmart. It is a 3.5 ounce skein, and for this yarn you will need a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and some stitch markers. We will first have to make a circle like this. You of course can make this scrubby as one circle, but the way that I did it, you will need to make two. So I have already made one, and I will show you how to get here. Because of the way the yarn is, it will be slightly hard to see where your stitches are, but you can pretty much feel your way through this. So begin by making a slip knot. And then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we will be slip stitching into the first chain to join into a ring. So this would be the chain 4 method circle. So you can check out that video. Now we will chain 2, and this will be counted as our first double crochet. Next we will continue making double crochets, and we will do 11 of these. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Come on. There we go. So now with your fingers you will have to feel where those chain 2 were, and just put your hook into the space that you find and slip stitch to join. So here we have basically 12 double crochet. So the circle will be a multiple of 12. So our next row will increase by 12, and we will have 24 in the next row. So you will be doing 2 double crochet in each chain around. So begin with a chain 2, and that'll be our first double crochet. Yarn over and double crochet into that same space where we slip stitched, and that is our first 2 double crochet. Then you can, with your hook, kind of feel where the next stitch will be, and do 2 double crochet again, and you will be able to do that all the way around. You can actually slightly see where your stitches are if you lift up your circle up against the light, but even though you can't see it, after you have practiced making a circle, you can pretty much already feel your way through where your stitch should be. So you can do that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 23, and 24. So as your circle gets bigger, you actually will be able to see spaces where the light hits, and it'll be a lot easier to see where your stitches should go. So slip stitch to join, and then I will do one more circle. And so the 3 rows, one more row for the circle, and so the 3 rows is actually going to be for my hand. You will have to see, so like when you put your hand like this onto the circle, so this 3 rows is actually enough for my hand. If your fingers end up pretty much being on the edges of your circle, you will most likely need to do one more, so 4 rows. If you want to do for your whole body, put your whole hand and then just continue crocheting more rows until you have about a 1 finger space on each side of your hand, and that's how you know that you need to stop. So just crochet 2 with however many rows that you need. So for the 3rd row that I'm doing, I'll do a chain 2 again for your double crochet, and that will be my first double crochet, and instead of the same space, I will go into the next stitch and do my 2 double crochet like I would with any regular circle. And so now this row will also increase by 12, and this time it'll be 36 double crochet all the way around. So the pattern is going to be 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet all the way around. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 34, and 35, 36. So slip stitch at the beginning, do a chain 1 and cut off some yarn, pull your yarn out and tighten. So here I have my second circle. So like I said, for mine, it's like this. So if you want to do it for your whole hand, just, you know, keep doing your circle until, you know, there's pretty much this amount of space from your thumb and from this side of your hand, from your right and from your left side, and make the exact same size. So now you will need 2 stitch markers, and place your hand like so, and feel for a stitch on one side of your hand and put your stitch marker there, and then do the same thing on this side. So feel for a stitch and put a stitch marker in that space. So I have here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 spaces, or 11 stitches between the 2 stitch markers. So those 11 stitches, I will not be doing anything in them. So now I will line up my circles together, and starting in the same, try to find like the same, where the same stitch is. So mine is in a 2 double crochet space, so that is how I will, that's where I will put my hook in through both of the circles, like this. And now I will attach my yarn, pull through both of the circles, and do a chain 1. Tighten with your end of your yarn, and go in again into that same space and do a single crochet. Now go into the next stitch on either side and do a single crochet. So continue all the way around until you get to your next stitch marker. Until you get to this stitch marker, do single crochet in each stitch around. And this is how we are joining our 2 circles together. So again, this is going to be more of a feel than see. So these scrubbies are pretty easy to make. They work up really fast. You don't need to do any crazy complicated stitches or designs for this specific yarn because you won't see it anyway. You can just do simple double crochet, and I would say that a double crochet would be the easiest to do with this rather than single crochet or half double crochet. and a triple crochet would be too loose. So you can do like a whole bunch of these for yourself. You can make some for your friends. Make little spa kits, like personalized, and give them out as gifts during the holidays or something. Like do some scrubbies that are with cotton yarn for like washing your face, removing makeup, and then this exfoliating scrubby. You can make a loofah, washcloths, and I plan to make some video tutorials for that, so you can have an idea of a very cute and useful gift set. I actually did one of these for Christmas last year, and I got these super cute little crates from Walmart. They were tiny, and they were only like $3, I believe. And it was perfect. Instead of a basket, it was kind of unique. And I made some washcloths and scrubbies, but with cotton yarn, not with this, and got some lotions and some bath bombs and stuff like that, and it was a very nice gift set. Kind of wished I made some for myself. Alright, so I just did my last single crochet, and I had already removed my stitch marker. I'm going to cut off this yarn that I didn't crochet in. So from here, this is your choice. If you are making one for your body, for example, or even if you wanted to do that for the one for your face, like if you want to hang it, do a few chains, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go back in and slip stitch, and it'll give you this little loop that you can use to hang your scrubby on. But I don't want to do that for this one particularly, so I'm just going to do a chain 1 and cut off my yarn. Tighten your yarn and just turn it inside out, or actually that's going to be the inside now, so inside in. You can either try to sew that in or just leave it inside that piece of yarn. And that is all. Now you have this little kind of like a pouch type thing, and you can put your fingers in there, and now you can use to exfoliate your face, and you can use both sides. And that is all. A super simple and quick scrubby kind of mitten type pouch for your face, or if you're doing a larger size, for your body. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Be sure to subscribe to not miss out on more cool crochet videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.